So how to unhide rows and columns all at once in Excel. So it is very simple. So to do this, I will just come to my Excel sheet here. I'm going to highlight all the cells that I want to hide. So once I select all the cells that I want to hide, I will just click on hide. So to unhide it, like each of those cell all at once, because I may have many cells at the same time in different rows that I want to unhide at the same time. So instead of just clicking on each of them one by one, which may be too much in cases whereby I have many cells to unhide. So what I can just do is just to highlight the cell that comes before all the cells that are unlined, and the ones that come after the ones that are actually what's it called, the ones that are online. So I will just select everything all at once like this, and I will right click and press on hide. So it's going to unhide all my rows all at once, rather than just selecting each of the cells and unlining them. So that may be too cumbersome. And also similar for columns. If I want to unline these my columns all at once, so let's say I hide this like this, and so if I want to online them, so rather than just pressing each of them one by one like this, I can just select the first cell, or sorry, the cell that comes before the cell that are online, and the cell that actually, sorry, the column that comes before and the columns that come after the unhide cells, sorry, unhide column. So I will just select both, and I'm going to click here and unhide. So it's going to unhide um the columns. So basically this is how to um hide and unhide rows and columns all at once in Excel without doing it one by one. So in the cases whereby we come across cells that are already hide so that are hidden, and we want to unhide them, so that's just a way to just do them all at once without going too much stress. I hope that is helpful.